Look what a neighbor just gave me. This is a step-down converter, fuse protection. As you can see, it powers up into main voltage 230 220 volts, and it steps down, as you can see, 220 to 240 AC, 50 watt, 50 hertz, output 110 120 volts AC, 50 hertz. For electric products up to 50 watts. To be used with all fax machines, Panasonic, Toshiba, Canon, Sharp, etc. As you can see, here is the fuse. Let me open it a little. So this is the fuse. 0.75 amps, as you can see here. Fast fuse, 0.75 amps, 250 volts. Let's put it back together. It's hard to put it out because it needs a rope to pull it out, but it doesn't have, as you can see. And here what's inside of this, let me open. It's a transformer that is connected like a reactor, an auto transformer. Here is the LED diode that comes from this transformer with a resistor to indicate the voltage output here. This is the main income. Neutral goes directly, and phase goes, as you can see here, step it. And here you have it. It has 4 wires, one red, one yellow, 2 blues. One of blues goes directly into output, and one goes to the fuse, and up, as you can see, red goes to the fuse and goes into the transformer that makes the step down, and output is the blue here. It's like a series connection with the resistor coil, and it gets out into, as you can see, the fuse here. It goes fuse and goes directly. This could be neutral. No, this is neutral, and this is phase. Goes here and acts as a neutral part because it's fused. And this is the output of the transformer that is stepped down voltage and goes up here. And as if we test this, we will get 120 volts or 110 volts, or maybe a little bit higher. Let's see. Let's put it in the test. Before measuring the voltage, don't forget to connect correctly those leads of the multimeter. Red into volt ohm and milliamps, and another red, but when you connect this into amperes, these not need to be here, only if you measure current, high current. The ground or neutral part is common, is black, needs always to be here. Well, let's see, measure the voltage before operating as you can see. Let me turn off the light a little bit. Wait a second. My multimeter leads are too short, so I'm measuring in that way. As you can see, it's 231 volts. I was measuring in DC and I put it in AC, 600 volts, so I need to measure 230 volts. So let's remove. And put this here to measure the voltage that will be stepped. As you can see, it's turned on. Is 116 volts, 115, 116 volts. Well guys, that was all. Be careful when playing with voltage directly from the output of outlets. Is dangerous, can kill you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and teach another friend by telling my videos. Have a nice day.